Welcome to Winner's Bench. The best toddler luggage is probably one of the most exciting purchases you'll make for your little traveler. Whether it's a weekend getaway or a long-awaited vacation, having the right luggage can make all the difference. In this video, we'll explore some fantastic options designed specifically for girls, focusing on durability, style, and features that both kids and parents will love. Get ready to discover the perfect travel companion for your little one. Number 5. Unicorn Rolling Backpack for Girls. Introducing the Unicorn Rolling Backpack, a perfect gift for kids aged 3 to 9. This backpack is designed with your child in mind, offering both fun and functionality for their travels. This unique kids' luggage comes with a removable unicorn toy. It can be taken out of the backpack, making it great for sleeping, playing, and taking along on any travel. This toddler luggage is great for outdoor adventures. It fits toys and essentials, making it a perfect gift. Your child will stay entertained on the road with the unicorn toy. The backpack features padded straps and a sturdy zipper, ensuring safety and durability. The straps allow free movement for active kids. It's easy for toddlers to open and close. Looking for a birthday or Christmas gift? This kid's suitcase with a stuffed animal is an ideal choice for 3 to 9-year-old girls and boys. It's a cool gift idea for unicorn lovers. What we like? This toddler luggage features a delightful removable unicorn toy. It's perfect for keeping your little one entertained on the go. If you're looking for a travel companion that doubles as a cuddly friend, this is the one for you. What people say? The design is adorable, the fabric feels durable, and the plush toy is very soft and high quality. Perfect size for a 3-year-old, and she can carry all the Dino toy gifts she received inside of it. It is well made. The stuffed unicorn is lovely. Number 4. Travelers Club Bunny 5-Piece Kids Luggage Set. Introducing the Travelers Club 5-Piece Kids Luggage Set. This adorable set is designed specifically for young travelers, making trips easier and more fun. This set includes everything your child needs: an 18 carry-on, a backpack, a lunch bag, a neck pillow, and a luggage tag. It's the perfect travel companion. Available in a variety of vibrant colors, this luggage set is sure to match your child's personality. It's also easy to spot on the baggage carousel. Made from high-quality materials, this luggage set is built to last. It's also lightweight, making it easy for kids to carry their own belongings. The set provides plenty of space for all your child's essentials. The backpack and lunch bag keep everything organized, making travel a breeze. With smooth rolling wheels and a telescoping handle, this luggage set is easy for kids to navigate. They'll have no problem getting around airports and hotels. What we like? This luggage set comes with 5 pieces, including a carry-on, backpack, and lunch bag. The bright colors make it easy to spot, and the durable design ensures it can handle the rigors of travel. If you're planning a family trip and want a coordinated, kid-friendly set, consider this option. What people say? The luggage rolled smoothly, had pockets on the inside, the backpack held up great, and my son wanted the neck pillow on immediately upon us opening the box. Haha. But it held up great and he was able to push it through the airport. The wheels roll smoothly, zippers operate effortlessly, and the fabric shows minimal wear. The set comes with everything you need: a rolling suitcase, backpack, tote, and even a neck pillow and tag, making travel so much easier. The suitcase wheels glide smoothly, and the material feels durable enough to handle all the bumps of traveling. Number 3. COOLIFE 3-Piece Luggage Set. This 3-piece set includes a 20-inch carry-on, a duffel bag, and a toiletry bag. It provides flexible storage and versatile design, making travel easy. The luggage features a TSA-approved lock and YKK zippers. These ensure streamlined security checks and dependable protection throughout your journey. Crafted from durable, lightweight ABS, it's built to last. The smooth 360-degree spinner wheels glide easily on any surface. The multi-position telescopic handle adjusts to different heights. This allows for comfortable, effortless control of your pace. The duffel bag and toiletry bag are made from water-resistant polyester. The duffel bag offers multiple pockets and an expandable design for all your travel essentials. All items in the set are carefully quality tested. If you need any help with your purchase, please contact us on Amazon. What we like. This luggage set includes a carry-on, duffel bag, and toiletry bag. It features a TSA-approved lock and is made from lightweight materials. If you're looking for a versatile and secure luggage set for older girls, this is a great choice. What people say. The luggage is very cute and my daughter loves it. The wheels are great and roll very smoothly. It's the perfect size for a toddler. Number 2. Disney Minnie Mouse Swim Bag for Girls. This enchanting Disney backpack is perfect for Minnie Mouse fans. It's designed for aquatic adventures, whether at the pool or the beach. This cute swimming bag features Minnie's iconic ears and bow in a delightful 3D effect. The bottom half has a lively tropical print with flamingos and pineapples. This light blue drawstring bag is more than just an accessory. It's a stylish way for your little one to make a splash. The bag has a convenient drawstring closure. It ensures quick and easy access to all your essentials, keeping everything secure. This Minnie Mouse drawstring backpack is full of Disney magic. It's a cherished gift for any occasion, perfect for birthdays or special treats. What we like. This Minnie Mouse swim bag features adorable 3D ears and a fun tropical print. It's perfect for carrying swim essentials and is easy to access with its drawstring closure. If your little one is a Disney fan and loves swimming, this bag is a must-have. What people say. The luggage is very cute and my daughter loves it. The wheels roll very smoothly. It is the perfect size for a toddler. Number 1. Disney Princesses 16 Rolling Backpack. Introducing the Disney Princesses Rolling Backpack. This is perfect for young Disney fans. It combines style and functionality for everyday use. Featuring a custom design with beloved princesses like Belle, Ariel, and Rapunzel. The pastel colors and vibrant graphics make it a delightful choice for any young princess fan. This backpack offers versatility. You can wear it as a traditional backpack or use the wheels and pull-up handle for easy transport. It's designed for convenience. Inside, you'll find a spacious compartment. It's ideal for carrying books, clothes, lunch, and all the essentials. It provides ample space for everything your child needs. This is an officially licensed Disney product. It's designed with care and respect for the beloved princess characters. You can trust its authenticity and quality. To keep it looking its best, simply wipe it clean with a damp cloth. Please note, contains small parts, recommended for ages 3 and up. What we like. This rolling backpack features a colorful design with Disney princesses and has a spacious interior. It can be used as a traditional backpack or rolled with the pull-up handle. If you're looking for a versatile and stylish backpack for school or travel, this is a great choice. What people say. Easy to roll. Light but sturdy. Bien tamaño y buena calidad. Mochila hermosa. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.